What is that smell? Ew! Is that me? No? Is it you? Oh, I see. My mom always said my room was like a pig pen. I didn't know she meant that literally. Hey, piggies. I love pigs. They're just adorable. What about you? Do you like pigs? You do? Oh, did you know that the pig has the letter I in its spelling? Today, we will look at the letter I and explore words that have that sound. Are you ready? Yeah, let's read. Hi, I'm Cleo. Welcome to Reading Bros. Today's letter exploration is I. There are many words with the letter I in it. For instance, lip has the letter I in it. L-I-P. Lip. Or the word wig. W-I-G. Wig. Oh wow. Look at my new hairdo. Fabulous. Lip. Wig. They sound similar, don't they? Well, that's because of the letter I. I bet we can figure out more words and sounds with the letter I. What do you think? Yeah? Okay, let's do this. Before we start, let's put our learning caps on and say our Reading Bros pledge. Repeat after me. I am smart. I'm sorry, what was that? Because I couldn't hear you. Say it a bit louder this time, please. Alright. I am smart. I can read. And I can do anything I put my mind to. Great job. Okay, let's do it one more time. I am smart. I can read, and I can do anything I put my mind to. I feel the learning power. Do you feel the learning power? Okay, we're ready to start the lesson. Let's go over some key word pairings for I. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Our first word is it. It. It is spelled with I and T. Let's see some words that go with it. Look, the letter S. What sound does that make? Sit. See? Sit. Come on now, grab a chair and sit with me. Great job. Okay, next letter. What sound does F make? Oh yeah. Fit. Fit. Good job. Okay, let's try to do this one. What does this word say? Bit. Great job. Okay, let's try some other words. The second word has 3 letters. I-L-L. Yes, a double L. I-L-L spells ill. Let's see some words that go with ill. Look, the letter M. What sound does that make? Great job. The letter M makes the sound. Okay, now let's put these words together. Mill. 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 Great job. What sound does H make? Hill. Oh wow, a hill. Wow, that hill is beautiful. Now, let's let's head on to the next one. IB spells if. Look, the letter B. What sound does that make? Great job. The letter B makes the B sound. Okay, now let's put these words together. B, if, bib, bib. Great job. And finally, ig. IG spells ig. Look, the letter B. What sound does that make? Great job. The letter B makes the B sound. Okay, now let's put these words together. Big. Whoa. Wow. I'm big. Oh, hi, bird. I got big right there. And whoa. That was fun. Look at that. A P. We know this one. What does that say? P-I-G. Big. Big. Good job. Psst. Hey, has anybody told you? You are doing great. Let's practice. I-T. It. I-L-L. Ill. I-B. If. I-G. Ig. Got it? Now let's repeat. I-T. It. I-L-L. Ill. I-B. If. I-G. Ig. Are you ready to practice some new words? Let's go. Okay. Can you get this word? Chill. Alright, now how about this next one? Dig. Now how about this one? Fig. Great job. Now try this one. Rib. Those are delicious. I want some right now. How about this one? Sit. Good job. Now how about this next one? Will. Nice, nice, nice. I'm surprised you got that one. Now try this one for size. Fill. Nice job. How about this one? Nip. Nice job. Nice, nice job. How about this one? Hip. Great job. And remember, no guessing. Now, try this. Oh yeah, hit. What is that? Hill. Nice job. They're beautiful, aren't they? Oh, how about this one? You got that right. Pig. Now let's try this one. Phil. Good job. I thought I could get you there. Now how about this one? Fig. You got it again. I really thought I'd get you. Now try this one. That's right. You got it. Pig. And this one last one. Oh yeah, that's right. Fit. Yeah. Great job. Let's try something else. How about win? Or we can try bin. How about another word like him? Or we can do lip. Wow, you are amazing! You are reading so well!
Hey, you did a great job today. I had so much fun learning with you today. Thanks for joining us. And remember, you are smart, you can read, and you can do anything you put your mind to. See you next time. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for updates on our new videos. Bye!